Looking to take your aerial photography to new heights? Whether you're a beginner or experienced pilot, finding the perfect drone can be overwhelming. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 drones that deliver incredible features without breaking the bank. Number 5. Starting at number 5, we have the E99 Pro, a feature-packed drone perfect for beginners and enthusiasts. This drone comes equipped with dual cameras and a 90-degree adjustable lens, giving you incredible flexibility in capturing stunning aerial shots from multiple angles. The 480p video resolution ensures clear footage every flight. What really sets this apart is the 360-degree stunt roll capability, performs spectacular flips and tricks that will amaze everyone. The Wi-Fi control lets you pilot directly from your smartphone, making it incredibly user-friendly. With altitude hold technology, the E99 Pro maintains stable hovering for smooth professional footage. The foldable design makes it ultra-portable, fitting easily in your backpack. USB charging means convenient power-up without specialized equipment. For those interested in this amazing drone, check the description and comments for the link. Number 4. Coming in at number 4 is the HD Foldable Dual Camera Drone, a versatile powerhouse for aerial photography. This drone features dual high-definition cameras that capture crystal-clear images and videos, giving you professional quality results every flight. The real-time video transmission lets you see exactly what your drone sees through the app, making framing effortless. What makes this exceptional is the battery flexibility. Choose between 1, 2, or 3 battery configurations depending on your needs. Longer adventures? Add more batteries. The app control provides an intuitive interface on your phone with smart features that make flying easier. The foldable design makes this powerful drone incredibly compact for storage and travel. Whether capturing birthday celebrations, outdoor adventures, or stunning landscapes, this drone delivers. Perfect for indoor and outdoor use. Want this incredible aircraft? Check the description and comments for the link. Number 3. At number 3, we're featuring the versatile E88, E99, and S2 series, the ultimate beginner-friendly drone lineup. These models are designed for those just starting their drone journey, offering an affordable entry into aerial photography. The E88 and E99 models come in both camera and non-camera configurations, letting you choose what fits your needs and budget. If you're serious about upgrading, the S2 model features an advanced brushless motor that provides quieter operation, longer flight times, and improved durability. The foldable design on all models makes transportation effortless. Just fold it up and go. These drones are perfect for learning essential piloting skills without fear of damaging expensive equipment. The intuitive controls make mastering flight mechanics fun. Whether you're buying your first drone or looking for a reliable backup, this series delivers exceptional value. Ready to start your drone adventure? Check the description and comments for the link. Number 2, taking the number 2 spot is the E88 E99 S2 Black Series, an advanced drone bringing professional features at an accessible price. This powerhouse comes with 4 batteries for extended flight time without constant recharging. The altitude hold function ensures perfect hovering stability for smooth professional aerial shots. What elevates this drone is the GPS positioning system, allowing precise navigation, automatic return to home, and stable flight in windy conditions. The brushless motor delivers quiet operation with superior efficiency and durability. The foldable design balances portability and performance perfectly, suitable for beginners yet powerful for experienced pilots. Whether filming outdoor adventures, real estate, or special events, the Black Series handles it all. Perfect for those wanting serious capabilities without professional pricing. Interested in upgrading? Check the description and comments for the link. Number 1. And claiming our number 1 position is the Max version Advanced Drone, the ultimate flying machine. This premium drone features a revolutionary 2.4-inch HD screen built into the remote, eliminating smartphone dependency for a dedicated viewing experience. The intelligent obstacle avoidance system is a game-changer. Sensors automatically navigate around trees, buildings, and obstacles, protecting your investment while letting you explore confidently. Powered by an advanced brushless motor, experience longer flight times, quieter operation, and exceptional reliability. The package includes 2 high-capacity batteries for extended sessions. The foldable arm design makes this drone incredibly portable, perfect for serious hobbyists and aspiring professionals. Automated safety features combined with manual controls let you fly confidently while developing advanced techniques. Ready to experience drone flying at its best? Check the description and comments for the link. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please like our videos, share them on social media, and leave your comments below. See you in the next video.